Tessa, anywhere?
Jay.
Hi.
Please help me pass this exam.
Hi guys, I'm Elisa. Just a reminder, cell phones are not allowed. We're going to start in 2 minutes.
Alright guys, exam is finally over.
Congratulations.
Woohoo!
Oh my goodness.
Cheers!
Yeah!
Congrats, ha?
Good job, man.
Sana tuloy-tuloy na yan.
I don't know. I would have not been able to do this without Billy. To Billy!
To Billy.
To Billy. To Billy.
This is too sweet. Ang kailangan natin mas malakas yung tama. What do you guys say?
Sige!
Game?
Eh, bahala.
Game.
Okay, wait.
Wakas. Tapos na yung exam nito.
Eto, galing kay father ni Andoy.
Oh no. Malakas na yan, ah.
Nako.
Oh my God.
Jay, malakas yan, ha? Binabalaan kita. Baka mamaya, di ka sanay uminom kung ano na masabi mo.
Alam mo, I don't have anything to hide. Try me.
Eh, bahala.
Sigurado kayo dyan.
Bahala kayo.
Let's do it.
Jay.
Who should we toast to?
Well, to Billy.
Alright!